Reaction of acid with oxides of metal. When any metal oxide reacts with the dilute acid, it gives rise to salt and water. Okay. Now, if you observe, children, the iron oxide, that is the red oxide, reacts with the hydrochloric acid, it gives the yellow ppt of the ferric chloride. So you can see this equation, right? So you will get the yellow ppt of FeCl3. Let us complete all the table here, children. The metal oxide we are going to take and we are going to see everything. Remember, children, here you see, here you have salt and water, right? See, dilute acid, acid is there, salt is there, water is there. So it's like a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction, what we has, base plus acid gives you salt and water. So salt and water, same thing, same product. Acid is also there. So what can you conclude about the metal oxide? Yes, metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay. So let us make the complete the table. CaO plus 2HCl. Now make a salt. First of all, you write down water. Water will be always there. So H2O you are going to write down. Huh? So H2O we have written. Now what is remaining? It will be salt, which will be CaCl2. So write down CaCl2. CaCl2 plus 2H2O. Written. Now here in the next example they are given us the salt and the water. They given the name of the metal oxide. They want the name of the acid. So acid जिसके अंदर Cl आता है. Which is that acid? Yes, it is HCl. But here Cl2 is there, so we should have 2HCl. Correct? Okay. The next one, observe here, they are given the metal oxide and the acid. And now salt and water is remaining. I have written the water. Now come on, make a salt. Zinc and then chloride. So ZnCl2. Correct? So children, this is how you are going to complete the reaction if it is come in the exam in the options. So you are going to make by seeing the whether it is balanced or not. So actually metal oxide also gives metal oxide reaction with dilute acid is like a neutralization reaction only. Okay, and we can conclude it that metal oxides are basic in nature. Now reaction of base with the oxides of non-metal. So let us see that reaction of bases with the oxides of non-metal. इसके previous क्या था? यहाँ पे था metal oxide and here it was acid. Now here it is base and here we have metal of non-metal oxides. Okay. So remember here again, observe the things. You have salt and water. Here you have base. Right? This is base. Then what must be this part? Tell me. Dash plus base gives you salt plus water. Yes, it should be acid. So, yes. So, oxides of non-metal are acidic in nature. See, observe this. Now I am having the non-metal carbon. Carbon ka oxide means carbon dioxide I have taken. Okay, so carbon dioxide plus 2 NaOH gives you salt Na2CO3 plus H2O. Like that, now I am going to get the salt as K2CO3. K2CO3 plus H2O. So again it will be left with the carbon dioxide only. right? You have to see this part, and from that you are going to judge out what is this part. For example, now you have here SO4. So you are going to take here sulfur trioxide, right? And what will be the name of the base? यहाँ पे Na है, so it will be what base? Yes, it will be NaOH. But it is Na2 na, so you will be having two molecules. So SO2 plus 2 NaOH gives you Na2SO4 plus H2O. Clear? Okay, so remember one thing, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature or metal oxide basic. Okay, from this both type of reaction we can conclude this part. Okay, now the next part is about, you can study about the aluminum oxide reaction, the sodium hydroxide reaction, and sodium aluminate reaction with water, etc. You can study. We will now go ahead with the reaction of acid with the carbonates and the bicarbonates of the metal. Now here children, what you are going to do, you are going to take a bend tube. What is this called as? Bend tube. You should know children now name of the apparatus also. They might ask you in the, they will give this diagram and they will ask you, the above apparatus is A option, bend tube, B option, diesel funnel, the third option, burette, fourth option, pipette. तो ये क्या नाम है इंस्ट्रूमेंट का? यू शुड बी एबल टू से. Okay, so such questions can be asked. So it is difficult, children, if you are attempting the MCQ type of question. So please read the textbook always. So what is this? This is the bend tube with the rubber cork. We are going to take the lime water in the test tube. See, this is the lime water. Okay, you are going to keep it handy. And on the other test tube, you are going to take the baking soda. Here you are going to take the baking soda and you are going to just add lemon juice into it. Now such things are there at home also. Lemon juice also and the baking soda also. So right. So you can just add it and immediately fit the bend tube. Close it. So now when you will close it, what will happen? Suppose any gas is evolved here. It will go in the upward direction. As it is a bend tube, it will come here in this test tube. And what is observed, children? You can see the color of this. See, what was it previously? See this color. And now see this color. Can you see the any difference? The left hand side test tube. Yes, it became whitish in color, milky. See this color. I'm again telling, see this test tube. And now see this, it became now milky white. Yes. So when the lime water turns milky white from due to presence of which gas? Yes, it is carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas turns the lime water milky. So what is the reaction taking place? CaOH twice plus CO2 gives you CaCO3 plus H2O. CaOH twice plus CO2 gives you CaCO3 plus H2O. Okay, so that was all about the reactions of the acid and bases. Now we are going to talk about the salts. Now children, we have now weak acid, weak base, strong acid, strong base. So if you combine them, we are going to have a very good choices. Now children, you have strong acid. See, I'm writing in short. Huh? Strong base, weak acid and weak base. Now combination हो सकता है this acid and this acid and this base, strong acid and weak base. Huh? Correct? So acid can have the combination. Strong acid can react with the strong base also and weak base also. Now acid को दो choice है, strong base and strong acid, right? So what will happen, children? When it is reacting with the strong base, the new resultant salt will be neutral. क्योंकि दोनों भी strong है. Now if it is reacting with the weak base, खुद strong acid है लेकिन weak base के साथ में कर रहा है, then the resultant salt will be acidic. क्योंकि acid strong है ना, so you are going to get the acidic. So ultimately acid and base going to give you salt, but salt का nature depends on strong है. So if the base is strong and acid is weak, then what you are going to get? I repeat, strong base and weak acid. With strong base is strong. So resultant salt will be basic in nature. Okay. So you have the salts like acidic, basic and neutral. So you have three types as it is written here. You have acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. Neutral salt कैसे बनेगा? When you have the strong acid, strong base or weak acid, weak base. या तो दोनों strong या तो दोनों weak. How will you get the acidic salt? When strong acid reacts with the weak base. Okay? And how will you get the basic? When you have the strong base and weak acid. So you can test it out with the pH paper. Color से पता चल जाएगा whether it is acidic, basic or neutral. Correct? So if it is giving the pH 7, we call them as a neutral. If it is giving below 7, then it is acidic salt. If it is giving above 7, then it is a basic salt. Right? Acidic salt has the pH less than 7. So when the strong acids reacts with the weak base, the resultant will be the acidic because strong acid is there. Okay. So let us now complete the reaction part. Let me see whether it is here. So let us complete the reactions now. You can see here, children, carbonate, salt of metal, reacts with the acid to give you another salt of metal and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so this type of reactions we will be studying. So let us take carbonate will लेना है. तो what is the main thing in this thing? You have always the carbon. You can see this part CaCO3. You have CO3 group. Carbonate is CO3 group. Okay, so we are going to take here acid and everywhere here going to get the carbonate. So Na2CO3, CaCO3, K2CO3. That way we are taken. Right? Now the first reaction, Na2CO3 plus HCl gives you 2 NaCl plus CO2. So that is given. So this is acid and you are getting the another salt and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Now let us write down about the second one. Na2CO3 plus, you are going to get the salt from the acid. So SO4 किस में आता है? Which acid? Which acid, children? H2SO4. Right? Children, here in both the reactions you will be having the even the hydrogen gas. It is missing in the reactions in my slide. So please write down even carbon dioxide gas is also evolved and hydrogen gas is also evolved. Hydrogen gas or water, let me check balancing part. So NaCl, yes, it is water, H2O. everywhere H2O will come. Okay, so you have another salt, carbon dioxide and water. So water will be there as a product. So children, everywhere you can write down carbon dioxide and water. Whenever carbonate is there now, you are going to get carbon dioxide and water. So you can write down CO2 plus H2O. Now main thing remains is the name of the salt. So here HNO3 है, NO3 वाला salt कैल्शियम का. So CaNO3 twice. CaNO3 twice. Please write down properly CaNO3 twice. And here K2SO4. You can write down K2SO4. Written. Finish this table. So always you are going to get carbon dioxide and water and the other salt is formed. Thereafter, now the other reaction where you are going to take instead of carbonate, bicarbonate. Okay, so almost the result is same. You are going to get the salt of other metal or carbon dioxide and water will be always there. So let us write down about this also. So you have here CO2 and H2O. So can you write down here CO2 and H2O? Huh? So CO2 and H2O is there. Correct? So let us write down now. KHCO3 plus HNO3. Now NO3 वाला कौन सा salt बनेगा K के साथ में? KNO3. Both are having valency 1. So KNO3. So write down the name of the salt as KNO3. Now children, here you have CH3COONA. It is the acetate, sodium acetate. ये पूरा है ना acid का group है. Acetic acid जो बोल रहे हैं ना. So it will be coming from the acetic acid. So what is the formula? See children, it is a big formula I am writing here. CH3 C double O and then H. Clear? So CH3COOH is the name of the acid. So here you are going to write down this. Okay, here. So this is about the all the salts what we are having. This carbonate and bicarbonate, they are salts. So salt reacts with acid to give you another salt. एक salt react करता है दूसरा salt बनाने के लिए. And in this reaction, if it is a carbonate or bicarbonate, definitely carbon dioxide and the water comes out. Okay, we have seen the water of crystallization. All these things were observed that when you heat it, it becomes whitish in color, and when you add water to it, again it becomes bluish in color. So water, the color of the blue vitriol is due to the presence of water into it. So I hope all these things are clear to you.